happens when I need a certain amount of income to qualify to purchase certain assets, right? So I want to buy a house or I want to buy a car. Like, what does that mean when I play the write-off game?
I love that. So I think everything that we do in life, right, comes with intentionality. So
Right.
there are two ways to look at things when it comes to purchasing assets when you have a business. So the first thing I tell my clients is that if you plan to make an asset purchase, whether that's buying real estate, trying to buy a new car, whether it's for your tour business or not, trying to qualify for a loan, whatever, let's try to do all that in 1 year. Right. So that the year that we're going, let's say 2022, we're going to apply, we're going to try to get a real estate property, we're going to get a new car and apply for a loan. Let's do all that in the same year, because now that I know that, I won't write off everything on these taxes. So I can show a little bit more income than we need to. So just enough for you to get approved for the loan that you want, for the car that you want, and for the real estate property that you want. But then any losses that we didn't take this year, we can always use them into the future for next year.